It really is a new era for cryptocurrency. Over these past few weeks, we've seen just a ton of things happen. Citadel, Fidelity, Charles Schwab launching a crypto exchange, EDX markets. But we're going to highlight some of the big things that are happening right now, why this new era for crypto is coming at a perfect time, by the way, as we get closer and closer to 2024. There's a big event happening in 2024. It's called the Bitcoin halving. It's set to take place sometime around April or May of next year, right around a year from today. So a lot of things falling in line right now ahead of perhaps the next big boom in crypto, probably going to be the largest bull market ever, right, if history repeats itself, as we continue to see more and more adoption here in the cryptocurrency market. But I'm going to jump over to Twitter and give my guy, Crypto Assets Guy, a plug here, because this was a great series of tweets that he had earlier this afternoon. He said, couldn't be more bullish on the crypto industry. A new era is coming. Open your eyes. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, well over $4 trillion in assets, by the way. They've filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, the temperature in the room is that BlackRock will probably get this. We shall see. We don't have that information just yet. But in addition to that, something else that happened, MasterCard, the second largest processing corporation worldwide, they have filed trademark applications to develop crypto and blockchain software to integrate crypto payments. As if that wasn't big enough, Deutsche Bank, the largest bank of Germany, they've got a little bit over $1.5 trillion in assets. They've applied for the digital asset license. And then you've got Ripple, Binance, Coinbase, many U.S. senators aggressively bringing to light the SEC corruption here. Brad Garlinghouse, one of those CEOs, going after the SEC recently. That is on the heels of the Hinman documents coming out, which was very bullish for Ripple and not very bullish for the SEC and how they've went about, crypto enforcement rather than providing clarity. Now, in addition to this, one more. Citadel, Fidelity, Charles Schwab launching this new exchange, EDX markets, which, many people believe this is aimed at really bringing the huge players into crypto, giving them a safe path in order to do so. Something we've talked about since we started this YouTube channel. It was something we had addressed, and it was something we needed, right, in order to really get this ball rolling in the right direction and expand this crypto market and really bring in the big money people, right? The institutional money, and even the retail investors that would never touch crypto but have massive, massive deep pockets. Now, and now only, can they feel comfortable getting in with this new crypto exchange. And a lot of happening, certainly a new era for cryptocurrency. Keep in mind, this new exchange providing trading for 4 assets out of the gate: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. So those 4 assets are certainly a few to watch as we move forward